Did you know your snoring can give you brain fog and make you feel constantly tired, forgetful, and fuzzy-headed? According to the Mayo Clinic, snoring can cause headaches, make it difficult to concentrate, and make you feel tired all day long. Poor performance on the job can be an early warning sign that your snoring is causing you serious problems. Other anti-snoring techniques don't target the root cause, soft tissue falling back in your throat. ZQuiet is an anti-snoring mouthpiece that provides immediate relief by gently moving your jaw forward. ZQuiet is ready to use straight out of the box. Simply put it in before you go to bed and enjoy a better night's sleep completely snore-free. Since using ZQuiet, I have stopped snoring altogether. Your snoring may be causing your brain fog. You need to try ZQuiet.